Hey, I'm going to show you how to do the stitch pattern for our reversible striped scarf. It's a slip stitch pattern worked with 2 different colors of yarn on circular needles. It's worked over 4 rows. The first row is on the wrong side, or this back side here, and it's worked with yarn B, which is the white. I'm going to work the very first stitch just as a slip stitch with this yarn in the front on towards you. So slip this with the yarn in front. I brought the yarn B underneath yarn A. There we go. Then I'm going to begin what is a 2-step or 3-step, I guess, repeat that you'll do to the end of the row. I'm going to purl 1, take my yarn to the back, and slip 1. Then we just keep doing that. Purl 1, slip 1 with yarn and back. Purl 1, slip 1 with yarn and back. So you do this all the way to the end of the row. There we go. Purl 1, slip 1 with yarn and back. So we leave the yarn B, the white yarn here, just right here, but we want to work the next row with yarn A, which is at the other end, and that's why it's important to be on circulars or double points. You slide your work all the way to the end of your needle, so it's at the other point, and now we can work across with yarn A. So here we just jump right into the repeat. We're going to purl 1, slip 1 with yarn and back. Purl 1, here we go, slip 1 with the yarn and back. So purl, yarn to the back, slip it, purl. You keep doing this. You'll notice that I'm only working, I'm working with yarn A, and I'm only working the stitches that are the same color as yarn A. That'll help you keep on track during this pattern. All right. So we made it all the way to the end of the pattern, and now we have both of our yarn, both our yarns on this side. So now we turn our work. There we go. So the next row we're going to work with yarn B again. We're going to start this work just this first stitch. To do that, we're going to pull yarn B underneath yarn A, and I'm going to slip this first stitch purlwise. Now we have the yarn in back already, so we're going to knit 1, bring yarn to the front, slip 1. And that's the repeat for this row. So knit 1, bring yarn to the front, slip 1. Knit 1, slip 1 with yarn in front. You do that all the way to the end. Knit 1, slip 1 with yarn in front, knit 1, slip 1 with yarn in front. So leave your yarn B over there, slide your work to the other end of your needle. I'm working with yarn A, and I'm only working the stitches that are the same color as yarn A. Knit 1, bring yarn to front, slip 1. Knit 1, bring yarn to front, slip 1. So there are very few steps in this pattern. You just have to make sure you're doing it with the right yarn on the right stitches in the right order. We just do this all the way to the end, and that's the 4 rows that you work for the reversible striped scarf.